Unlock the secret to eternal youth. Imagine defying age with every bite. The secret to eternal youth lies not in costly creams or invasive treatments but on your plate. Why your plate holds the key to aging gracefully. One of the most potent sources of youthful vitality lies much closer than you might think, your kitchen. At the core of this dietary fountain of youth is collagen, a protein that acts as the scaffolding for our skin, keeping it firm and plump. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to common signs of aging like wrinkles and sagging skin. Fortunately, certain foods can significantly boost our body's natural collagen production or protect what we already have. Let's delve into some of these anti-aging superheroes. Vitamins, especially vitamin C, E, and A, are potent antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a process that accelerates aging. Vitamin C boosts collagen synthesis, helping keep the skin firm and youthful. Vitamin E protects skin from damage and supports its health, while vitamin A aids in skin cell regeneration. Another lesser-known but equally potent ally is ellagic acid. Abundant in berries, pomegranates, nuts, and seeds, ellagic acid has shown promising results in protecting against UV radiation and reducing wrinkles by preserving collagen. Incorporating natural collagen boosters into your diet can significantly impact how aging manifests on your skin. Foods rich in amino acids like proline and glycine, think bone broth or lean meats, provide the necessary building blocks for collagen production. For vegetarians, lysine-rich foods like legumes and tofu are also beneficial. Here's how to bring these concepts from theory to plate. Ensure every meal incorporates vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. For breakfast, consider a smoothie packed with berries, rich in ellagic acid, and spinach, packed with vitamin A. And a scoop of protein powder or Greek yogurt for amino acids essential for collagen production. Lunches and dinners should include colorful salads topped with nuts or seeds alongside servings of fatty fish like salmon or mackerel, high in omega-3s. Include plenty of antioxidants through citrus fruits for vitamin C, almonds or sunflower seeds for vitamin E, and carrots and sweet potatoes for vitamin A. Hydration plays a critical role, so drink plenty of water throughout the day and opt for green tea, known for its antioxidant properties. The don'ts. Avoid excessive sugar consumption, as it can lead to glycation, which damages collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle, not what we want for youthful skin elasticity. Similarly, limit processed foods, often nutrient-poor but high in trans fats, a no-go area if seeking to maintain vibrant health. Let's explore some inspiring examples that illustrate the potential of turning back time through nutrition. Meet Lisa, a 55-year-old who noticed her skin losing its luster and elasticity over time. Determined to make a change, she began incorporating a variety of berries into her daily diet: strawberries for breakfast, blueberries as snacks, and raspberries thrown into salads. Berries are packed with ellagic acid and antioxidants that combat signs of aging by protecting collagen. Within just 3 months, not only did Lisa feel more energetic, but her friends also started commenting on how radiant and youthful her skin looked. Then there's Michael, a 60-year-old ex-smoker whose years of tobacco use had taken their toll on his skin's appearance. Upon learning about the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids for skin health, he increased his intake of salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds while simultaneously cutting down on processed foods. A noticeable improvement in his skin firmness and texture after 6 months, a change that even surprised him. These stories reinforce the notion that you truly are what you eat. Choose foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, omega-3s, and phytochemicals like ellagic acid found in berries to slow down the aging process. By understanding and incorporating vitamins A, C, E, ellagic acid, and natural collagen boosters into our diets, we unlock a powerful tool against aging. Remember, antioxidants like vitamin C bolster immune health and are crucial for collagen synthesis, providing skin its elasticity and firmness. Ellagic acid found in berries acts as nature's wrinkle fighter by protecting against UV damage. Additionally, ensuring your diet is rich in omega-3 fatty acids keeps your skin supple while safeguarding overall well-being. In essence, ageless living encompasses more than just striving for youthful appearances. It involves nurturing our bodies from within through informed dietary decisions leading towards enhanced longevity and improved life quality.